Welcome to the Vulcanara Audible blog. FDM printing advantages, limitations. Fused Deposition Modeling, FDM, is a type of 3D printing that creates objects by depositing melted plastic filament layer by layer. It is one of the most popular forms of 3D printing and is used for a wide variety of applications, including prototyping, product development, and even manufacturing. FDM printers work by heating a plastic filament to its melting point and then extruding it through a small nozzle. The extruded filament is deposited layer by layer, building up the object being printed. Advantages. One of the key advantages of FDM printing is its relatively low cost. FDM printers are widely available, and the cost of the plastic filament used in the printing process is relatively inexpensive. Additionally, FDM printing is a relatively simple process that can be easily learned by anyone with a basic understanding of 3D modeling and computer-aided design (CAD) software. Another advantage of FDM printing is its versatility. FDM printers can handle a wide range of materials, including ABS, PLA, and nylon, which means that they can be used for a wide variety of applications. Limitations. Despite its advantages, FDM printing does have some limitations. One of the main limitations is that the resolution of the final print is not as high as some other forms of 3D printing, such as SLA or SLS. Additionally, FDM printing can be somewhat time-consuming, and objects with complex geometries may require multiple print runs to be completed. Overall, FDM printing is a powerful tool that is well suited for a wide range of applications. It is relatively low cost, easy to learn, and versatile, making it a great choice for anyone looking to get started with 3D printing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon.